us how to make a sweet dish called Sojji or Sajjige or Rava Sheera or Sooji ka halwa or kesari bath. There are various names for this dish. I'm using rather unrefined coconut oil. Okay, now here we have put couple of tablespoons of coconut oil. It's heating up. So first, initially, I will just add the nuts. It has started roasting, and I've started getting that aroma of the roasted rava. Mix it thoroughly so we don't see the white rava, which is white in color. The sugar gets really distributed all over. It melts and we have the nuts and the raisins and the sugar well incorporated into the Sooji, and you have a soft halwa like Sooji ka halwa here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.